Watery when cooked, while others will remain hard even when well done. Some are very sweet, while some are not. They may be steamed, boiled, baked, or roasted. Peel the potatoes, wash thoroughly and place in a banana leaf in a pan prepared for steaming, making sure the water does not reach the potatoes. And serve with sauce or as an accompaniment for tea. Young pumpkins are eaten as vegetable, but when mature and hard, they may be eaten as a staple, just like matoke and potatoes. They are rich in vitamins and minerals and mash well. They are normally eaten with other foods, and the seeds are a medicinal snack. Katogo is nutritious as all the foods. Boil the sorted beans till soft. Peel the potatoes and steam them till soft. Drain the beans and mash them well. Add a little salt. Add the sweet potatoes. Continue mashing and mix well. Bring the mixture together and wrap in a banana leaf. Steam for 15 to 20 minutes and serve hot or cold with steamed greens or intula. This can be eaten as a snack. There are many types of yams, but the methods of preparation are basically the same. They may be eaten hot or cold. Eshabu is special delicacy from the cattle-rich western Uganda. Purified cow ghee is the basic ingredient. It is mixed with filtered local salt and stirred for over 40 minutes. The mixture changes colors to white. When ready, it is mixed with dry meat or mushrooms. Eshabu is mainly served with millet bread. Dry beans and maize seeds, boiled together, make a very nutritious meal, eaten in many parts of Uganda. In southwestern Uganda, it is called empengere. The Luos call it nyoyo. And among the Madi, it is anyoi, served with lots of vegetables. Cassava is a root tuber growing on a cassava plant. There are different types of cassava, some of which have to be soaked in water after peeling for some time. Cassava can be eaten fresh or may be chipped or dried and ground into flour. The flour is used in the making of different dishes. Nziki is a very special fish meal by the Madi people of northern Uganda. Elaborately prepared, bones are removed from the smoked fish, then smashed and cooked together with ground simsim. Uganda's 6 lakes and dozens of rivers crisscrossing the country are the source of species of fish. These can be cooked fresh or smoked, and be cooked in a variety of ways. But the tastiest is the luombo of any of the fish. Most of the fish eaten in Uganda is freshwater fish. White fish includes tilapia, nkeje, ngara. Fish is eaten dry or smoked. Ugandan hospitality does not stop at flowers or elaborate greetings.
Welcome.
Every visitor is presented with the famous coffee beans, and always a drink of water ready for the casual passerby. Then there are the coffees, the teas, and hot porridge from maize and millet. There are juices from the various citrus and non-citrus Ugandan fruits, squeezed or blended in modern machines. Juices for health, thirst, and daily use. Every region of Uganda is graced with rolling hills and grasslands, the grazing fields for various indigenous breeds of cattle. The millions of cattle have inspired a unique cattle culture, starting with their ornate and poetic architecture. In these homesteads, there is a rich milk culture. These milk containers from Ankole tell the story of milk as traditional nourishment. Milk for drinking. Cultured milk is first boiled and left for 24 hours before drinking. The working of cow ghee is a specialized family task for women. Cooking ghee, ghee for eshabwe, and ghee for other purposes is made in this way. But for ceremonies and adults, there are alcoholic drinks. Ajono, malua made from baked millet and fermented millet, can be served in a pot with a straw or in a calabash. A drink that's more than a drink. Malua is community. Malua is politics. Jokes, but above all, malua is mild, nutritious, and a social engineer, bonding the visitor to the host community setting. That explains why the malua pots and straws can be found everywhere. With several types of bananas, Uganda is the home of the biggest number of bananas and banana-based dishes in the world. Here we have 5 types of banana juices, some so sweet it has to be diluted with water before consumption. Such banana juice is mixed with ground red sorghum and fermented for 2 days to produce warm brown banana wine, which connoisseurs say goes with many local dishes. Traditionally, it is kept in gourds and calabashes. This brew, known as tonto or mwenge, is also used in social cultural occasions. Muramba is a popular mild alcoholic drink from southwestern Uganda. It's made from roasted and fermented sorghum. Traditionally, muramba is served in a calabash. The variety range of Uganda's traditional dishes make a long list that can't be exhausted here. But while you are here, seize the opportunity and treat yourself to an unforgettable adventure. Taste the best organically grown foods and drinks in the world at the source of the Nile.